All right, we've been promising a video on the pumpkin flush, or the differential fluid change, and we haven't done it, and probably should have done it. So we're going to do a pumpkin service. It's coming up on Halloween, might as well. Been promising to do it for a while, put it off too long apparently. The other day when I started out of the driveway, I hear this click, click, click noise coming from the back of the van. So we're going to dig in deep today and find out what that's all about. So we've got the dirty turtle lined up back there. Don't Google that, you don't want to know. Just our oil drip pan. And we'll be using a 13mm socket. Pull the cover off of that differential. Could drain the fluid first, but when we take that cover off, it's all going to come out. So let's just go for it. All right, cardboard, the unbeatable creeper. Slide real easy. Turn this way. Looks like our drain hole, or our fill hole rather, is a rubber grommet. We'll see if we can pop that off when the cover's off, rather than pry it from the outside and tear it up. Things are nice and gooey here. That's not really a good sign. Things aren't very tight either. I don't know if it's ever been done on this van. I haven't kept very good maintenance records. More than likely, I let a dealership talk me into it at some point in the first 350,000 miles when they were doing the services for me. Or possibly I really screwed up and let that place in Fort Pierce do it for me, somewhere in the 400,000 mile mark. But nonetheless, we're going to do it now because this ain't right, all this goo. Now's when I wish I brought a screwdriver down here with me. Okay, well that's still honey colored. Smells horrible though. That's a big gear. Wish it didn't smell like that. But on a positive note, I don't see anything crunchy or shiny in there. So it was surely due for service. Mostly because it leaked, because we don't know when it was done last. Parts washer would be nice, but we bought one and crapped out. Don't worry about that. A little bit of fuel. It's working. Gasket maker oil resistant. Should have a gasket here, but I didn't think to order it in time. Whoops. My bad. Okay, so with that plug removed, I've got a nice finger hole there to grab a hold of. But I'm right-handed, so I'm going to have to do this the other way. line up the holes and slide it in. And I should look up torque setting, huh? Book says 45 Newton meters on these, which is a lot. So we're going to give it 6 Ooga Doogas with the electric. We should be doing it in a star pattern. And we'll give each one a little snug with the hand wrench just to make sure. And on this I'm going to go around the clock because I don't want to miss one. There we go. That's 45 Newton meters with the calibrated bionic arm. It's time to put some fluid in. Maybe we were just overlooking the obvious and we've got room to do it the easy way here. Didn't need to monkey around with a stupid hose and cap that didn't work. You know, that's part of being a DIY effort, is you get to try things. Watch this dump oil all over my face. Oh yeah, good for the soul. Oh, there we go. And that drain plug, damn it. Oopsie. It's flowing back out. I guess that means we achieved. I guess that means we reached full and kept going.
Which means we have officially serviced the rear differential.
Yay. And in the process proved that it probably wasn't so overdue, because the owner probably had it done at some point and forgot. Just didn't keep records. Shameful records keeper this guy is. We'll have somebody talk to him about that. And probably should have done it the other day when I started out.
Oh, rude.
Hi, thanks for that.